English is a very biased language. When we talk in English, there are so many terms, there are so many words which have a gender bias. पूरी ह्यूमैनिटी को डिनोट करने के लिए जो हमने वर्ड बनाया है इंग्लिश में, उसको कहते हैं मैनकाइंड. इमेजिन, चेयरमैन, बैट्समैन, स्पोर्ट्समैन. कुछ वर्ड्स का हमने फीमेल काउंटर पार्ट सोचा ही नहीं. सो देर आर सर्टेन टर्म्स दैट वी आर वेरी यूज टू यूजिंग इन आर डे टू डे लाइफ. हम वैसे ही बोलते हैं और इन टर्म्स को चेंज करना अब ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली फ्रॉम एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पर्सपेक्टिव. जो हमारी एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स होती हैं, जो हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स निकलते हैं, जो हमारी वेबसाइट्स हैं, हाउ वी डिज़ाइन ऑल दैट कॉन्टेंट एंड द लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट कॉन्टेंट स्पीक्स वॉल्यूम्स अबाउट हाउ इंक्लूसिव योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रियली इज. तो कुछ ऑल्टरनेटिव्स की हम बात करते हैं, कुछ बायस्ड टर्म्स को देखते हैं कि हम उन्हें अलग तरीके से कैसे बोल सकते हैं. मैनकाइंड कैन बी सेड एज ह्यूमन काइंड. बैट्समैन के लिए आजकल बैटर वर्ड यूज करते हैं, विच इज मोर जेंडर न्यूट्रल. चेयरमैन, instead of chairman we can say chairperson. Instead of policeman we can say police officer. Now there are certain words that we are so used to using. Man-made. Anything that is made by a human being is called man-made. How do we address that? Artificial. Man up. So when we are saying man up, we just can't say it to a woman, right? But we can say it like buck up, like stand up for yourself, or anything, just anything. There are no right or wrong answers, but there are better ways of saying these things. Sportsmanship. Maybe it can be called team spirit or fair play. So there are these little words that are very biased. And now is the time when we should start using words which we can apply to men as well as women. Then the pronouns. इंग्लिश में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम प्रोनाउंस का है. हिम, हर, दे. हम एक वुमन को देखते हैं, हम प्रोनाउन लगा देते हैं. नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट, बट देन वी फॉरगेट देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ट्रांसजेंडर. Somebody might appear to be a woman, but they might not want to be called a woman. LGBTQAI+, एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसको लेकर आज भी हम कंफ्यूज्ड हैं. वी आर नॉट श्योर व्हाट दीज थिंग्स मीन, दीज वर्ड्स लिटरली मीन, राइट? LGB, लेस्बियन, गे, बाइसेक्सुअल, इसको लेके फिर भी थोड़ी क्लैरिटी है कि इट connotes the homosexual community. Lesbian, a woman who is attracted to a woman, or a girl who is attracted to a girl. Gay, a boy who is attracted to a boy. Bisexual, attracted to both genders. It can be a girl or a boy, right? वहां तक हम फिर भी क्लियर हैं. प्रॉब्लम चालू होती है ट्रांसजेंडर से. ट्रांसजेंडर का मतलब आधे से ज्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता. ट्रांसजेंडर मतलब somebody who's born as a man but feels like a woman. So they are born with the sexual traits of a man, their sex is of a man, but they identify as a woman. Or vice versa, somebody who's born as a woman, who has biologically who's a woman, but who feels like a man, they identify as a man. तो ट्रांसजेंडर वो केस होता है जहाँ पे इंसान का सेक्स डिफरेंट होता है और उसका जेंडर डिफरेंट होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसजेंडर. We often confuse transgender, LGBTQAI में T को हम I से confuse करते हैं. I is intersex. Intersex मतलब when a person is born with confusing body parts, with both male and female body parts. It's a mixture of those body parts. So it's a condition. It's a health condition that they are born with. That is called intersex. Coming back to Q, Q is queer. Q is also questioning, which means that somebody who's still confused about their gender identity, that person can be called queer, and it's an umbrella term which includes all of the other terms. Then we come to A, asexual, a person who does not have sexual urges towards anyone, towards any gender. They don't just have the urge. That is called asexual. And plus is because there are a lot of other dynamics, there are a lot of other concepts that are emerging in the LGBTQAI. So there's a plus, which means something similar to that. So this is LGBTQAI. And when we address such people, especially when we address transgender, we must ask first, how do you like to be addressed? His, her, them. So these are all gender conscious behaviors, gender intelligent behaviors that we can have. They should guide the way we talk, the way we converse at our workplace, at office events, at seminars, at conferences. It is very common for people to just go about a conversation. You see a 35-year-old woman and you straight away ask, what does your husband do? We don't realize she may not be married. She may not have a husband, she may have a boyfriend. She must be living in with someone. Or she may have a girlfriend. For all that we know, she may have a wife. Or she may be completely single. प्रिजम्पशन ये है कि 35 साल की वुमन है तो शादी तो हुई होगी, बच्चे तो होंगे ही. This is also a bias because it makes the other person uncomfortable. Because when an answer comes that, oh, I'm not married, you make the other person feel like, oh, you're something different. That's not normal. But we are living in the world where a lot of things are now normalizing. So we should check our language.